Let's see second method of preparation of alkanes from alkyl halides. So starting compound is alkyl halide converted to alkane. In that first method is by reduction of alkyl halides. Starting compound is alkyl halide. So this reaction is reduction reaction. Alkyl halide converted to alkane. Reducing agent used is zinc and dilute hydrochloric acid. In this, nascent hydrogen is produced, which is responsible for the reduction of alkyl halide. So let's see one example. Methyl iodide. This alkyl halide on treatment with the nascent hydrogen, which is obtained from reaction of zinc and dilute hydrochloric acid, get converted to alkane. So methane is obtained here plus hydrogen iodide is the byproduct. Methyl iodide converted to methane using zinc and dilute HCl. And this nascent hydrogen, which is written in this square bracket, it is responsible for the reduction of alkyl halide. Now let's see the another example. Alkyl halide, if we take the example of CH3, CH2, Br, that is name is ethyl bromide. When reacts with zinc and dilute HCl, then nascent hydrogen is obtained. It reacts, it reduces alkyl halide to alkane, that is in this case ethyl bromide to ethane plus hydrogen bromide as a byproduct. Ethane is obtained. So ethyl bromide converted to ethane. So that is one method where alkyl halide, it is the starting compound converted to alkane. Second one, using same starting compound alkyl halide but by using reactive metal like sodium, alkyl halide converted to alkane having double number of carbon atoms. Alkane which contain double number of carbon atoms as with respect to this starting alkyl halide. This type of reaction is called Wurtz coupling reaction or Wurtz synthesis. In this sodium metal it is used and the reaction condition is dry ether. So let's see one example. Sodium, reactive metal like sodium it is used and dry ether is used as a solvent as a reaction condition. Yes, this dry solvent ether is used. For example, methyl bromide. So two molecules of alkyl halide it reacts with sodium metal. Methyl bromide, this alkyl halide methyl bromide, when reacts with sodium, second molecule of methyl bromide. Now in presence of dry ether, it get converted to the alkane. So this type of the reaction here, the starting alkyl halide which contains only one carbon atom. Now it is in ethane. Ethane is formed in the product this alkane which contains double number of carbon atom, that is 2. So the ethane is formed plus twice of sodium bromide, that is NaBr. So the alkane which contain particularly even number of carbon atoms, these are formed by using sodium metal. So in such type of reaction, Wurtz synthesis or Wurtz coupling reaction, which is used to prepare alkane containing even number of carbon atoms. Alkane, it is also prepared from alkyl halides using Grignard's reagent. Grignard reagent is alkyl magnesium halide, which are having formula RMgX. So alkyl group attached to magnesium metal, and to this also halogen is attached. So RMgX, alkyl magnesium halide, it is called Grignard reagent, and this reagent, it is prepared using alkyl halide and magnesium metal. So Grignard reagent is obtained by reacting alkyl halide with dry magnesium metal in presence of dry ether. When let's see the general reaction for the preparation of Grignard's reagent. Rx is the alkyl halide, which is the general formula for alkyl halide. When it reacts with dry magnesium metal in presence of dry ether as a solvent, then this organometallic compound where carbon magnesium bond and magnesium halogen bond is present. So these are obtained RMgX, alkyl magnesium halide, so known as Grignard reagent. So this is obtained Grignard reagent, and Grignard reagent on treatment with water gives alkane. So Grignard reagent, that is RMgX, on treatment with water H2O get converted to alkane. So in this alkane is obtained, this part and OH part. So here we get RH plus MgOHX, magnesium hydroxyhalide. So alkane is obtained. So using alkyl halide as a starting compound, alkyl halide as a starting compound, here it is converted to Grignard's reagent when it reacts with the reactive metal magnesium in presence of dry ether, and that Grignard's reagent on treatment with water is converted to alkane. Let's see the specific example, methyl magnesium iodide. So when methyl magnesium iodide, this Grignard's reagent, on treatment with water, it gets converted to methane molecule CH4, CH3H, therefore CH4, and magnesium hydroxy iodide, so as a byproduct. So methyl magnesium iodide get converted to methane. Chemical properties of alkanes. Let's see halogenation of alkanes. This is the type of substitution reaction. Substitution reaction is that reaction in which one or more atoms in a molecule is replaced by another atom or group of atom is called substitution reaction. So halogenation, it is the type of substitution reaction. Here substitution of hydrogen atoms of alkane by halogen atom X atom, this is called halogenation of alkanes. In this alkane, it reacts with halogen, that is halogen X2 halogen molecule. Alkane having formula, we can represent it as a RH. So reacts with halogen molecule in the presence of UV light or diffuse sunlight at higher temperature 573 Kelvin to 773 Kelvin. These are the reaction condition. In this hydrogen atom, it is replaced by halogen atom and it gives the mixture of alkyl halides RX. So mixture of alkyl halides are obtained. This is general formula for alkyl halide. Let's see the chlorination reaction. Chlorination of methane. So methane CH4 when reacts with chlorine Cl2 in presence of ultraviolet light or at higher temperature. Here hydrogen atom from methane, it is replaced by Cl. So it get formula CH3Cl plus HCl, chloromethane. This is formed. CH4 plus Cl2 gives to CH3Cl plus HCl. Here three hydrogens are replaceable hydrogen present in the product chloromethane. First reaction. If excess of chlorine it is used in the reaction proceed further. So CH3Cl, that is chloromethane, plus Cl2 in presence of UV light or high temperature, we get CH2Cl, CH2Cl2 plus HCl, that is dichloromethane. Hydrogen for atom of CH3Cl replaced by Cl atom. So we get the formula CH2Cl2. Then this CH2Cl2 plus chlorine Cl2 in same reaction condition, it gives CHCl3 plus HCl. This is trichloromethane. Hydrogen atom, one hydrogen atom replaced by chlorine. So we get this formula CHCl3. IUPAC name is trichloromethane. Further reacts with next molecule of chlorine in same reaction condition. Here this atom is also replaced by hydrogen atom replaced by chlorine atom. Therefore formula we get CCl4 plus HCl. CCl4, that is tetrachloromethane. This product is obtained. So mixture of this chloromethane, dichloromethane, trichloromethane and tetrachloromethane, mixture of these four products are obtained. But if methane reacts with excess of chlorine, this product is major product, that is tetrachloromethane is obtained as a major product. And if in a reaction alkane, that is methane, it is used in excess, then chloromethane is obtained as a major product. The reactivity order of halogens towards alkane is this: fluorine is more reactive than chlorine, chlorine is more reactive than bromine, and bromine is more reactive than iodine. So more reactive is fluorine molecule F2 and the less reactive is iodine molecule I2. but generally we consider chlorination and bromination reaction. We studied in this chapter chlorination and bromination, this type of reaction with chlorine, chlorination, and reaction with bromine, bromination. Because fluorine, reaction with fluorine, it is very fast, it is explosive type of reaction. And the reactivity order, the ease of replacement of hydrogen from carbon atom, it is very easily removed from the carbon which is tertiary carbon from alkane than secondary carbon. So the ease of replacement of hydrogen atom from carbon, this is the order. Tertiary is more reactive, more easily replace hydrogen atom from tertiary carbon than secondary and then primary. Now let's take another example. Propane, 3 carbon atoms, that is CH3, CH2, CH3. Chlorination, reaction with chlorine molecule Cl2 in presence of UV light. It produces mixture of these two alkyl halide, that is 1 chloropropane and 2 chloropropane. In this 2 chloropropane is obtained as a major product. See this reaction, CH3, CH2, CH3 gives to CH3, CH2, CH2, Cl plus CH3, CHCl, CH3. So this 1 chloropropane, the hydrogen atom, it is removed from this terminal carbon which is primary carbon, and then chlorine it is attached to this. So hydrogen replaced by chlorine. Here we get 1 chloropropane, and in this the product here, the hydrogen is removed from secondary carbon, therefore we get 2 chloropropane, and secondary is more easily replaced, more product is obtained therefore as a 2 chloropropane, as the hydrogen is replaced from secondary carbon. So this is major product. Then the next example is 2-methyl propane. When reacts with chlorine molecule in presence of ultraviolet light, it forms 1 chloro 2-methyl propane and 2 chloro 2-methyl propane. We get this mixture of product. Here let's see the reaction. CH3, 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 2-methyl propane, then gives to CH3, CH3, CH2, Cl plus CH3, CH3, CH3. Carbon it is attached to 3 methyl groups and chlorine. 2 chloro 2 methyl propane. In halogenation reaction, let's see bromination reaction, reaction with bromine. For example, methane. Let's take the example of ethane, CH3, CH3, this alkane. Ethane, when reacts with bromine in presence of UV light, here hydrogen atom it is replaced by bromine, so we get CH3, one hydrogen atom is replaced, therefore CH2, and bromine is substituted, so Br, CH3, CH2, Br plus HBr. So ethyl bromide is formed. So another example, CH3, CH2, CH3, propane. This alkane, when reacts with bromine, UV light is the reaction condition. Here we get the mixture of product as the degree here hydrogen atoms it is if replaced from the terminal carbon, we get CH3 CH2 CH2 Br plus other product hydrogen atom is replaced from this carbon, which is secondary carbon. So CH3 CH Br is attached to this second carbon CH3 plus HBr. So the two products are formed, one bromopropane and two bromopropane. Out of these two bromopropane is the major product and this is minor. Let's see the another example, butane, CH3 CH2 CH2 CH3. So butane on reaction with bromine, so bromine molecule Br2 in presence of ultraviolet light, here also we get the mixture of product. If the hydrogen is replaced from terminal carbon, we get, for example, Br CH2 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 CH3. So 1 bromobutane. And if the hydrogen is replaced from this secondary carbon, we get CH3 CH Br CH2 CH3. So 2 bromobutane. 2-bromobutane is the major product. Now isobutane, next example, CH3CH3. This isostructure, to that one methyl group is attached, 4 carbon atoms, so therefore it is isobutane. That is a common name. Let's see the IUPAC name, 2-methyl-propane. So 2-methyl-propane on reaction with bromine Br2 in presence of ultraviolet light, here also we get the mixture of product either from any one this carbon, terminal carbon, hydrogen is replaced, so we get the structure like this, CH3CH. Now one hydrogen atom, if it is replaced from this, we get CH2 bromine, and here this isostructure CH3CH CH2 Br. If the hydrogen is replaced from this carbon, second carbon, then we get the product CH3 CBr CH3 CH3. So these two products, mixture of two products are obtained. Here this is 1 bromo 2 methyl propane, and other product is 2 bromo 2 methyl propane. This is major product, 99%, 2 bromo 2 methyl propane. This product is formed as a major product. So this is the bromination reaction with bromine and alkane.